She started up. Okay, let's go. We're gonna move this car to a different spot. Guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, and I always love reading comments that you guys leave under my videos. But in today's video, I want to show you this amazing machine. This is a 1992 Mercedes 500 SEL in a W140 chassis, which I will be working on. I have to do some repairs to it. I have to take care of a few things, but this car, just take a look at how beautiful this amazing machine is. This particular car is actually from Japan. It's a Japanese market W140, but take a look at the interior of this car. She needs some love here and there, but I do love the velour interior. Beautiful brown chocolate color and everything. You know, she needs some love here and there, but man, this thing's so cool. Just take a look at these corner trims right here. They're made out of velour as well. I mean, it's just incredible. I mean, the dashboard needs some love, but man, what a cool machine. And I love the smell of these amazing cars. It's a typical 90s Mercedes smell, and I do love the way it smells. So, and this is what the rear looks like. It's got a M119 engine, amazing V8. So I'm gonna start working on this car soon. I have to do quite a bit of repairs to it, but I'm excited to start the journey of making this thing even more amazing. But just take a look how beautiful this thing is. I'm just drooling over this car. Obviously, no rust, nothing. Everything is nice and clean, well taken care of, and the owner has had this car, I think he said, for over 2 years. But yeah, he's a great owner. Has been taking care of this car. So that's what she looks like. All right, so in the next video, I'm gonna start working on this amazing machine, and I have to do quite a bit of work to it. But the owner told me, you know, like, he found me and he wants me to work on this car. He said he cannot find a normal person who will work on this car, and he cannot really trust anyone. So, you know, but that's good to hear, you know, for myself. I'm gonna start working on this car, and you know, we're gonna get everything taken care of that the owner needs, or this car needs and wants. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing back. Not on the road, but just to fix up all the things that the owner wants me to fix up. And yeah, beautiful machine. And I do love pre-facelift models so much. I don't know about you guys, but I do love the pre-facelift ones more because they look more classic. But you know, and the facelift ones look beautiful as well, so can't say anything else besides that. But yeah, once again, beautiful interior, everything. The problem is you have to slam this thing, close it. I carefully peeled this liner, and I'm gonna loosen these bolts, these 2 bolts. And what I'm gonna do is, there's some adjustments you can make. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Up, and this one, I'll try to move it up a little. This, and then I'll tighten the bolts. Now let's see how it closes. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I put all of these here just to protect things from dust, you know, while I work on this car, because it's going to be some time. So I don't want this engine bay to get dirty. like even more, because it's really, really dusty here. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. And today I'll be replacing the headlight switch on this car. The headlight switch is in bad condition on this car, so we're going to replace it. And we're going to see if it's actually going to do anything to this blower motor, because right now the problem is, as soon as you turn on the basically the headlight switch, and if you have the key on, the speed of the blower motor changes, which is so bizarre. But the headlight switch needs to be replaced anyways, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Here's the headlight switch, and if it's actually really like, it's supposed to click, but it's not clicking, and it's like really like notchy. You feel the notchiness in it. It's not good. The blower starts working harder or faster when I turn the headlight switch on. Stay here. So we have a problem with the blower motor. Like, it's basically uncontrollable at all. The owner has another climate control he wants me to install. But the weird thing is, yeah, it's uncontrollable. It's blowing hot air, and you know, if I turn on the headlight switch, this will start working at a faster speed. So interesting. And then with the headlight switch, like, I cannot kill this thing. Basically, this is constantly on and working.